Today we're going to learn how to read and write and identify numbers up to 1 million. Hi class, do you remember learning how to read and write numbers up to 10,000 last year? If so, awesome. If not, don't worry. We're going to spend a minute reviewing a little bit to catch you up. Here we have the number 5,489. We can show this number through standard notation, written notation, or expanded notation. We could even show this number by drawing a picture. Can you think of how we could draw a picture using this? Now that we've jogged our memories a bit about smaller numbers, we're going to look at bigger numbers. Today we're going to learn about numbers as large as 1 million. The biggest determining factor in figuring out the value of a number is figuring out its place value. We've learned up to 10,000, but past that we have 100,000 and a million. To start, we are going to take a number and break it apart based on its place value. Let's take the number 145,750. We start at the left end of the problem and see we have one set of 100,000. We then move on to the next number and have 4 sets of 10,000. We continue to the next number and have 5 sets of 1,000. We keep repeating this process all the way down, so we have 7 sets of 100, 5 sets of 10, and no leftover ones. We can also write this number out. The way we do this is by writing the numbers in between the commas. For example, we start by saying 145. Then we reach the comma, we say the place value, 1,000. We then continue by saying we have 750. So our finished result is 145,750. Now I want you guys to try doing this on your own. Start by trying to write out the number in expanded notation. This is the part where we show place values. Then try to write the number out, taking note of where the comma is. Alright, so how did you guys do? Did you get the right answers? Good. Now I'm going to give you guys a few examples of a number in a different form, and I want you to write down the number. So first we have 506,733. Then the second one, we have 4 times 10,000 plus 5 times 1,000 plus 5 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus 4. So how did you guys end up doing? Now I want you guys to apply what you've learned. What we're going to do is we're going to make our own project. I want you to think of a scenario where you can use a number between 10,000 and 1 million. I want you to draw a picture of this and then show the number in number form, expanded form, and written out. Be creative and have fun, guys!